Good morning, children. See, children, yesterday we have discussed about the tenses. About few tenses we have discussed, children. What are they? Present, simple present, present continuous, present perfect continuous. Today, regarding our English textbook, children, already we have completed the story A Bottle of Dew. Bottle of Dew is a story, children, related to the Ramanath, where he was fond of a magical potion. Because of that magical potion, he was unable to do hard work. He became very lazy and he used to waste all the money on the magical potion. At last, they met a sage. The sage gave the suggestion of collecting the dew. He collected the dew for the 6 years, and during these 6 years he worked hard by selling the bananas from the banana plants. He earned a lot of gold. In that way, the saint said hard work is the key of success. See, children, you should also don't forget that the hard work is only the key of success. If you work hard, God will help you and you will get the success. Now, related to this chapter, grammar part, children, one new term has been introduced to you, that is phrasal verbs. What is that, children? Phrasal verbs. Now let us discuss about this topic, children. What is a phrasal verb? See, children, phrase, you know what is a phrase? A phrase is a group of words which has a sense but not a complete sense. It is the part of the sentence. First we will discuss about the phrase, then we will go for the phrasal verb. Suppose she comes in the morning. Here if you observe the statement, in the morning is at the end. This is a group of words which has a sense but not complete sense. That is known as phrase. In the morning, it is known as a phrase. Now coming to the phrasal verb, children, how we can form a phrasal verb? Phrasal verb is formed by combining the preposition and main verb. In this chapter we will discuss about the phrasal verb formed by the preposition and main verb. Already you know main verb. What is a main verb, children? The main part of the sentence or the word which tells us about the action of the subject is known as the main verb. What are those? Play, sit, stand, all such type of words are known as main verb, and each phrasal verb has its own meaning. Suppose let us take, children, few of the phrasal verbs. Now understood, children, how these phrasal verbs are formed? Phrasal verbs are formed by preposition plus main verb. Okay, preposition plus main verb. Now see, call off. Call is a main verb, off is a preposition. Call off means cancel. It means cancel. So each phrasal verb has a different meaning. Find out, discover. Find out, discover. Okay, children. Look after, takes care. We say now, mother looks after her house means mother takes care of her house. Look after, takes care. Next, children, work out, exercise. I work out for the 5 hours. Exercise. If you observe, children, each and every phrase given to you, it is a main verb and see children, off, out, after, out. Here these are the prepositions. Means phrasal verb is formed by the main verb and the preposition, and each phrasal verb has its own meaning because they are most commonly used in our everyday language, English language, in our spoken. Now children, another part they gave regarding the exercises are countable and uncountable nouns. Let us discuss about the children countable and uncountable nouns. See children, mother dash her house, looks after her house. My father's car dash this morning break down or broke down, you can say. So each phrasal verb has its own meaning. Today I'll give you work to find out at least 10 phrasal verbs and their meanings. Now children, today what you have to do after listening the lesson, you have to find out 10 phrasal verbs and you have to write their meanings in your HW. Tomorrow we will discuss again the exercise related to the phrasal verb. Now children, another grammar part which has been given to you in this chapter is countable and uncountable noun and the common noun and the proper noun. See children, what is a noun? First of all, you tell me what is a noun. A noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. Okay, a noun is the name of a person, place or a thing. See, now first two parts they has been given to us. One is countable and another is uncountable. Now let us discuss children what are countables and what are uncountables. See children, if you see countable means can count. The nouns which we can count. Uncountable, we cannot count. Cannot count. Okay. The nouns which we can count are known as countable and the nouns which we cannot count are known as uncountables. See children, countables, for the countables we will use a, an or the. But for the uncountables we don't know how many they are. Some, okay, or few or little or few more words we will use, little. So in this way we have explained you about countable and uncountable nouns. Now see children, how much they are, how many they are, we don't know. Here uncountable doesn't give the answer how many or how much or how more. Now children, what do you mean by the collective noun? Another new term related to the noun is collective noun. What do you mean by the collective noun? Already in our 4th standard we have learnt about the nouns. Noun, collective noun means collection. Collection or the group. A name given to a collection of things or persons or animals is known as collective noun. What do you mean by collective noun children here? A noun which a name given to a group of persons. Suppose dash soldiers, an army of soldiers. Here army is the collective noun. Here army is the collective noun. Dash horse, herd means group of. Next dash people, crowd. Crowd is also a group of people. See children, dash cake. Sorry children, not dash cake. In this way, the name given to a collection of things or collection of persons is known as collective noun. So children, today we have learnt about the phrasal verb, how you can define a phrasal verb, children. The way phrasal verb is formed by combining a preposition and a main verb. Each phrasal verb has its own meaning. The phrasal verbs are different from the usual words and they have their own meaning. Okay children, coming to the nouns, today we have discussed about the countable and uncountable nouns. What are the countables? The things which we can count are known as countable. The things which we cannot count are known as uncountables. And see children, countables are a or an are used along with the countables, whereas some, few, little means we are not particular about the number. They are the uncountables. So we will use some, few, little, etc. And one more new term I have introduced you today, that is collective noun. A group of things means a name given to the collection of the things or collection of the persons is known as collective noun. Today your work to read the lesson again children and complete the exercise related to the phrasal verb. Tomorrow again we will meet children with the grammar.